मैं हूँ विकी
और मैं हूँ संचारी
और हम आए हैं जुमेरा में फॉर दिस वेरी फेमस रेस्टोरेंट जिसका नाम है Bhuk-Uttair.
Right.
Am I pronouncing it right?
Yeah, I think so. That's how I even pronounce it. So Bhuk-Uttair.
Bhuk-Uttair. पता नहीं
Right.
कैसा प्रोनाउंसिएशन, लेकिन सुना है कि खाना बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि ये लोग फ्रेश फिश फ्राई करते हैं.
Yes, the fishes
And,
are amazing, delicious tasting, and I wanted Vicky to try this. Even the gravy, if you try it, you'll know it exactly how amazing it tastes.
ग्रेवी छोड़ो यार, मेरे को तो मस्त मछली तल के फ्राई करके मसाला डाल के एकदम बाबू भैया जैसा खाने के है.
But Vicky, have you noticed one thing? People are waiting. They're in queue.
हाँ यार, हमारा नंबर जो है ना,
हाँ, it's I think 105.
और अभी 98 नंबर चल रहा है और इट्स अ वीकडे बाय द वे.
Yeah.
वीकडे में इतना सा मतलब रश है.
Also, I think because social distancing being practiced किया जा रहा है, also 3 meters apart the tables are, so
Correct.
therefore, it's okay. We don't mind waiting.
Yeah, so we're waiting. हमारा फिश फ्राई हो रहा है, प्रॉन्स भी लिया है हमने और आपको सब दिख जाएगा वीडियो में कैसा
Totally.
आता है, कैसा बनता है और क्या टेस्ट है उसका, ये सब आपको दिख जाएगा. So
Yes.
keep watching.
Keep watching. So in fishes, this is all that you have, or you have anything else also?
Right now, just two types of fish.
Sorry?
Just two types of fish right now.
2 types of fish.
Sherry, then hamo, then shrimp also.
And hammock. Okay. How much?
Order number 92 is ready.
Can you give us 200? Can you show me how much would that be? Quantity? Yeah, should be okay. Yeah, and
108.
sorry,
108.
100.
Take away it here.
We'll be eating.
Only cash.
Yeah, only cash. We are having sherry fish with some prawns, and they'll give us a nice bowl of curry and a lot of rice.
So this is the only option we have.
So we
Fish
have
and prawn.
hamur and we have sherry, and we also have prawns. But in the lunchtime, it's different, right? So
Then combo set.
combos are different. Okay, lunchtime it is different, and in the evening it's different. So yeah, that is what we're having.
Sherry fish and prawns. We are waiting.
Very excited because Vicky's going to try this for the first time. So
First time.
yeah, so I have
Looking for a fork.
okay.
सुना है कि यहाँ का खाना बहुत अच्छा है.
That is his first expression with the
Prawn
prawns. Thank God.
You try.
Okay.
बड़े यार प्रॉन्स. और अब फिश ट्राई किया जाए.
So good.
क्या बात है यार, पटाखे फूट रहे हैं.
Actually.
बढ़िया है, दिवाली हो गई. It's very good.
Especially ऐसे सर्दियों के मौसम में, I think especially when you have like nice hot fish with like curry and rice. Oh, Vicky ordered for a paratha by the way. So he'll tell you how that is.
अच्छा, पटाखे कहाँ फूट रहे हैं?
Over there.
देखे.
खत्म हो गया.
अरे यार, टाइमिंग. बट पराठा और ग्रेवी मैंने सुना है कि बहुत अमेजिंग है.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try that.
So he'll tell you exactly how this is.
ये रहा पराठा,
That's my
ये रहा
favorite.
ग्रेवी, डुबा के मस्त एकदम, बहुत सारा.
How is it? Yay! I'm so happy I got him here.
It's that, you know, वो फिश करी का होता है ना थोड़ा सा टैंगी. Not exactly a fish curry, लेकिन it is really nice.
You know, Vicky, I'll tell you one pointer. That is curry mein na, they use those little baby fishes, like tiny, tiny ones, and that's how the flavor is so good. You know?
अच्छा, इसीलिए मैं सोचूं.
Yeah.
एक और बाइट लेते हैं. ये रहा. You know, gravy, rice, prawn fry,
Fish.
fry. I mean, this is amazing. ये आपको मिल रहा है कहाँ पर? भूकते.
Right. That's the place.
जुमेरा में. And it's really yum. What do you have to say?
Totally come here. Oh, I love this place. And even the lunch deals are amazing. So come and check it out. We did not get time during lunch, so we decided to go for the dinner. But oh, पटाखे फिर से.
हल्के से कहीं तो बज रहे.
Yay! We captured it.
यार ये कौन सा दिन है?
पता नहीं. लगता है you tasted the Bhukatar fish, so they're happy, they're celebrating.
But the fish is really nice.
Yes.
और it's the sherry fish actually.
Yeah. Sherry.
और प्रॉन्स तो नॉर्मली है, जंबो प्रॉन्स. बढ़िया टेस्ट है एकदम फ्राई करके. हल्का सा दे पुट दिस चाट मसाला ऑन टॉप to make it more चटपटा, you know.
We are loving our dinner.
So ये सब का हुआ है 105 dirhams. जो संचारी ने भरा मैंने नहीं.
It's very, very delicious. I think you should totally come and, you know, if you're a fish lover like the way Vicky and I am, I think this is the correct place for you. And the view is just amazing. So yeah, all the more reason for you guys to visit this place.
यार बुर्ज खलीफा भी दिखता है ऐसा.
That's true. Yeah.
So here we are, Bhukatar, and we are finally done with our dinner. बहुत ही amazing dinner था, मजा आ गया.
Absolutely. So Vicky, out of 10, how much do you rate it?
I think 20 देता हूँ मैं.
Yay! I'm so
Of
happy.
course, it could be more spicier.
Oh God, he ordered for green chilies, by the way. Yeah.
वो तो करना ही था.
हाँ.
But yeah, it's a great place. यहाँ का खाना is amazing. Fish fry was really nice. Prawn fry was good. Rice, curry, सब कुछ अच्छा है.
Right.
105 dirhams for all of this is great.
Yeah, it is actually, and the taste is also so very fresh. It's crispy on top and very, very soft inside.
Yeah, but अगर आपको spicy चाहिए तो please order for green chilies.
Yes. So yes, you can definitely watch more, right, Vicky? So we'll be
Yes.
coming up with more interesting, amazing restaurants around here in UAE.
अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम ऐसे और वीडियो बनाएं तो आप लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, जो करना है कीजिए. हमें सपोर्ट कीजिए, पैसे भी दे दीजिए, बैंक अकाउंट देते हैं.
See you again. See you soon.